Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership and preparing facts. Locate the receipt, the iPhone serial/IMEI, and any linked email addresses. Once done, make sure the phone is charged and on a reliable Wi-Fi network so you don't get interrupted. Next, attempt Apple ID account recovery through Apple's official channels. This is the safe, supported route. You'll need access to recovery contacts or devices, so gather those now and be ready to report exactly when and where the device was purchased. Once you've prepared documentation, start the formal recovery or support process. Go through Apple's iForget flow and open a support ticket if needed. If recovery via the account fails, schedule an in-store appointment and bring government ID and the purchase receipt to verify ownership. Make sure you explain the device history clearly. If someone else owns the Apple ID, contact them and request that they remove the device from iCloud. This resolves activation lock properly and avoids any attempt to circumvent protections. After Apple verifies your documentation, they will either remove the activation lock remotely or provide step-by-step instructions to erase the device safely. You will then set up the iPhone as new or restore from an iCloud or iTunes backup. Make sure to set a new Apple ID and enable Find My only if you control the account. If Apple cannot verify ownership, escalate politely with support, double-check receipts, or return to the seller for additional paperwork. Do not attempt unofficial unlock methods.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.